Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix this type of error. You must have a SIM associated with an Apple device for to be used for iMessage and FaceTime. So guys, if you want to use the phone number for the FaceTime and iMessage and it's not working, then I'll show you how can you fix it. So guys, what you need to do is just simply have to close this page if you want to fix this type of issue. First of all, you have to open the setting, then you have to scroll it down. Now from here guys, you have to tap on messages. Now from here guys, you have to tap on send and receive, and from here guys, you have to make sure that if you are using the phone number that is showing there, so you can see here guys, it is a different phone number, so you have to turn off this one. Now also you have to turn off the FaceTime. Now after turning off guys, what you have to do is just simply you have to tap on your Apple ID, then tap on sign in and security. Now from here you have to wait some seconds. So guys, you have to tap on this edit icon. Now tap on add email or phone number, and from here guys, you have to tap on add phone number, and you have to add that phone number, okay guys, which you have inserted in your mobile phone. Okay guys, because the phone number is verified on your device, so you have to put that phone number and you have to tap on next, and after that the verification code will be sent your phone number. Just simply you have to put that verification code, and also you have to tap on add phone or email, tap on add email address, and you have to put that email address which is verified on your device. Now after that you have to tap on next. Now verification code will be sent to your email address. Also just simply have to put that verification code, and after that guys, you can easily use the phone number. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.